Living in a tiny kitchen or apartment doesn't mean you have to settle for boring meals or cramped cooking space. With the right gadgets, even the smallest kitchen can feel like a pro chef's playground. In this video, we're diving into 26 viral cooking gadgets that are making waves on Amazon, and for good reason. These tools are designed to save space, simplify your kitchen routine, and make cooking fun again. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump into the first gadget. The Kobach pressure cooker can cut cooking time by up to 70%. Perfect for tight schedules and tight spaces, this compact cooker handles up to 17 psi of pressure to quickly cook even the toughest meats and legumes. It's built with safety in mind. 3 separate steam release mechanisms plus an anti-opening valve give you peace of mind while cooking. It also features a super clever lid that locks with one hand and stands upright. Whether you have a gas, induction, or ceramic stove, this cooker adapts to all, making it incredibly versatile. Say goodbye to bulky measuring tools and hello to the Dice Pro silicone measuring cups. These are perfect for melting butter, chocolate, or heating sauces right in the cup. The body and spout are soft yet sturdy, making it easy to pour with precision. No more drips or spills. The set includes 3 sizes, 2 cup, 1 cup, and half cup, covering everything from morning smoothies to resin projects. Whether you're measuring ingredients for baking or mixing cocktails, these lightweight, space-saving silicone cups are built to multitask. Next, meet the Riviera wooden spoon set. You get a solid spoon, a slotted spoon, spatulas, and even a spoon fork, each with contoured heads for maximum function and comfort. Whether you're stirring soup, flipping eggs, or tasting sauces, these tools feel great in your hand and won't damage nonstick surfaces. These utensils are also surprisingly light, making them perfect for people who cook daily or struggle with heavy tools. If you're trying to simplify your kitchen with high-quality essentials, this set is one to grab. Transfer chopped veggies or herbs more easily with the Dandy Scooper Duper. Instead of awkwardly lifting your cutting board, this foldable food mover lets you scoop, funnel, and pour directly where you need. The fold-to-funnel design is genius for getting every last bit into a pan or bowl, and the solid handle means you can even scoop juicy ingredients like tomatoes without leaking everywhere. It's more than a scooper. It doubles as a dough scraper, mini cutting board, and even a handy cleanup tool for small spills or kitchen messes. If you're tired of grinding spices the old-fashioned way, the Syncon 2-in-1 electric grinder is a serious upgrade. This USB-C rechargeable gadget combines salt and pepper in one sleek tool, so you'll save both space and time. With one-handed operation and oversized buttons labeled S and P, it's incredibly intuitive. Just press and season. Each end features its own bin and coarseness dial, letting you customize your grind without switching tools. It's portable, efficient, and completely battery-free. Forget bulky oil dispensers and greasy pours, the MBO olive oil spray bottle lets you Mr. Pour with total control. Whether you're air frying, dressing a salad, or cooking on a budget, it ensures less waste and more flavor. It's compatible with multiple liquids, olive oil, avocado oil, vinegar, soy sauce, making it the ultimate multitasker. The ergonomic nozzle switches easily between spray and stream. With a 470 milliliter capacity, it's ideal for frequent cooks who don't want to keep refilling. Say goodbye to garlic presses and smelly hands. The next trend garlic twister is a handheld wonder that minces garlic, ginger, herbs, nuts, you name it, with a simple twist. Just smash, drop in a few cloves, and twist until you get that perfect minced texture. The triangular pattern inside helps pack and remove the ingredients without sticking. Plus, it doesn't clog or require intense pressure. The more you use it, the more uses you'll find. It even tackles nuts for toppings or fruit peels for infusions. Next, meet the Lineroso all-purpose kitchen shears to cut everything from herbs to pizza to poultry and plastic packaging. They come with a magnetic holder that sticks to your fridge, saving drawer space and keeping them always within reach. The blades come apart for easy cleaning, and there's a built-in herb stripper, bottle opener, and nutcracker in the handle. If you're tight on space and want one tool that handles dozens of tasks, this is a compact powerhouse. Moving on to the all-in-one small space cooking pot, the slotted saucepan. Made with tri-ply stainless steel, it offers even heat distribution for quick, energy-saving meals. The glass lid features built-in straining holes and pour spouts, so there's no need for a separate colander. With clear internal measurements, a steamer basket, and a heat-safe silicone handle, it's ideal for boiling, steaming, and simmering, all from one pot. If you want a single pot that does it all and stores easily, this is a solid investment. If you thought air fryers couldn't get any smarter, meet the Kismile 5-in-1 glass air fryer. This compact wonder features 2 glass bowls, one for solo meals, 2.6 quarts, and another for sharing, 4.7 quarts. It comes with 5 pre-programmed modes like roast, broil, and deep roast, so you don't have to mess with temperature settings. It uses a powerful 1500-watt turbo heater and a non-toxic glass build to deliver healthy meals. With its see-through body, you can watch your food cook without opening the lid. Next, we have the Fictio double-sided cutting board combining durable titanium on one side for meats and fish, and acacia wood on the other for fruits and veggies. It even includes a knife sharpener, a swivel stand for upright storage, and a juice groove to keep your counters clean. The hammered dots on the titanium side increase friction, so your food won't slide while you chop. It's also easier on knives than stainless steel and doesn't leave a metallic aftertaste. If you want space-efficient kitchenware, the Kook ceramic mixing bowl set is the one. These nesting bowls come in 4 sizes from 20 to 145 ounces, making them perfect for prep, serving, or even storing leftovers. They're made from glossy stoneware with geometric embossing and copper accents. They elevate your kitchen's look without hogging cabinet space. They're chip-resistant, microwave-safe, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-friendly. Whether you're tossing salads, mixing pancake batter, or serving snacks, this set handles it all and nests together to save precious storage room. No more fumbling with dull peelers. The Hawkeye UI-shaped peeler glides through veggies with ease. The stainless steel blades stay razor sharp and make both downward and upward peeling effortless. Ideal for both left and right-handed users, the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip even when your hands are wet. Use it to julienne carrots, slice cucumbers, or prep potatoes with surgical precision. Whether you're cooking daily or meal prepping on Sundays, this gadget makes peeling quick, safe, and satisfying.
Need to cook for a crowd but don't have a full kitchen? The Bella electric skillet is your new go-to. With a 12-inch square surface and 3-inch depth, it's perfect for casseroles, stir-fry, or chili. The lid locks in place so you can cook, carry, and serve from one device. It even stores upright to save 50% more space. The adjustable temperature dial goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the cast aluminum base heats evenly, eliminating hot spots. Cool touch handles, a cord wrap, and a sleek matte finish complete the look. Whether you're grilling, baking, or pan-frying in a tiny kitchen, the ThermoPro thermometer ensures perfectly cooked food every time. With an ultra-fast thermocouple sensor, it gives accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. The 4-inch probe folds into the handle for compact storage, and the magnetic back lets you stick it to the fridge. It even locks your readings so you can check after removing it from the oven. No more burning your hands. With a bright backlit display, it's easy to read even in low light. If you love breakfast sandwiches or perfectly shaped eggs, buy the Gaga Key silicone egg rings. Designed for 4-inch eggs, they're perfect for fitting neatly on English muffins, toast, or bagels. The cool touch handles make it easy to lift your eggs without burning your fingers, and the deeper ring lets you add cheese, bacon, or veggies without spills. These rings also work great for pancakes or even mini omelets. Simple, reusable, and surprisingly versatile, they turn your tiny kitchen into a breakfast-making machine. Need a quick burst of flavor without a bulky food processor? The Vinland Zester Grater is your secret weapon. It effortlessly grates everything from lemon zest and parmesan to garlic, chocolate, or ginger. The wooden handle gives a comfortable grip, and the included protective cover keeps your hands and drawers safe. It's lightweight, easy to rinse, and doesn't hog counter space. Use it to finish off pasta, brighten up desserts, or add zest to sauces. This tiny grater packs a big punch in any compact kitchen. If you're short on space but love fresh ingredients, the LaRev Mini Food Processor is a dream come true. With a 2-cup bowl and powerful 200-watt motor, it chops veggies, fruits, herbs, or nuts with just one touch. It's perfect for baby food, sauces, and everyday prep work. Plus, it has a built-in oil dispenser for emulsifying dressings or mayo while blending. The Stay Sharp stainless blade does the hard work for you, and it fully disassembles for easy cleaning. Blenders are usually bulky, but the GDOR 6-in-1 immersion blender is a multitasking marvel in a sleek form. It comes with 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, a whisk, a 28-ounce beaker, and a 20-ounce chopper, giving you everything you need to whip, blend, or puree directly in your pot or bowl. With 20-speed precision and a turbo boost, it handles everything from creamy soups to smoothie bowls. If you want a powerful tool that doesn't crowd your kitchen, this is it. Chopping veggies can take forever, especially in a tiny kitchen. The Mast-Home Mandolin Slicer is here to change that. This adjustable slicer offers everything from 1mm paper-thin slices to 9mm thick cuts, along with 4.5mm and 9mm julienne options. With a twist of the knob, switch between straight and wavy blades to create restaurant-worthy salads or homemade chips. It folds flat for storage and comes with a cut-resistant glove, food guard, and blade removal tool for maximum safety. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making cheesy nachos, the TBTE butane torch brings pro-level heat to your compact kitchen. Its ergonomic design and safety lock make it easy and safe to use. You can control the flame temperature up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for everything from baking to DIY crafts. With the continuous flame mode, you don't have to hold the trigger for long tasks. Small but mighty, this torch is a must-have for apartment chefs and foodies who love a finishing touch. If your kitchen knives are dull or mismatched, the Kokuma knife set is a sleek and space-saving upgrade. You get an 8-inch chef knife, 4.5-inch utility knife, and 4-inch paring knife, all made from premium German stainless steel. The blades are razor-sharp, durable, and versatile enough to handle all your slicing, chopping, and mincing needs. Whether you're cooking for one or prepping for a dinner party, this set gives you pro performance without cluttering your counter. Simplify your kitchen utensil drawer with the Sam Schuff 2-in-1 meat chopper and spatula. This tool is made for busy home cooks. Flip pancakes, stir sauces, or break up ground beef with one space-saving gadget. The design is gentle on all cookware types, from non-stick to cast iron. It also has a flat head for scraping and a curved edge for scooping. It's compact, easy to clean, and ideal for anyone in a small apartment who needs gear that pulls double duty. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes with the Taffond Potato Masher. The broad mashing plate and ergonomic handle let you apply just the right amount of pressure without straining your hand. Use it on sweet potatoes, beans, guacamole, or even hard-boiled eggs. The circular shape reaches pan edges easily, and the hanging hook makes storage simple. It's a timeless tool that works fast and fits in any kitchen drawer without fuss. If you're cooking in a small kitchen, precision matters, and the Koyos digital food scale delivers just that. With a range from 0.1 ounce to 33 pounds, it's great for baking, meal prepping, or even weighing packages. The tempered glass top is waterproof and easy to clean, and it includes a large backlit LCD for quick reads. Choose from 5 units and use the tare function to subtract the weight of bowls or containers. It runs on batteries or USB-C, and it's slim enough to tuck in a drawer. Tiny footprint, major accuracy. Last but not least, meet the Val Cucina Air Fryer Toaster Oven. With 10 cooking presets, toast, bake, roast, air fry, and more, this appliance replaces half your kitchen gear. It has a 26.7 quart capacity, big enough for a 12-inch pizza or a whole chicken, yet still compact enough for small kitchens. The non-toxic enamel-coated interior is easy to clean, and with 1,650 watts of power and an intuitive control panel, you'll enjoy restaurant-quality meals without taking up more than one spot on your counter. So, what'd you think? These 26 viral cooking gadgets prove that you don't need a massive kitchen to cook like a pro. You just need the right tools. Whether it was the space-saving multi-tools or the genius compact appliances, there's something here for every apartment dweller or tiny kitchen owner. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more apartment-friendly finds, and hit the bell so you never miss a new kitchen gadget drop. Thanks for watching.